Synthesis.
Sinteza, sklep,
11 I finish.
še malo
So,
po
the first one, we have
Prvič,
a spirituality.
najprej imamo duhovnost.
A spirituality where God is a loving Father, not a judge.
Ko Bog ni sodnik, ampak je ljubeči oče.
Where the loving kindness that we share with the young
Ko je ljubeča prisotnost, ki jo delimo skupaj z mladimi,
is a reflection of God's love that we live.
je odsev Božje ljubezni, ki jo sami živimo.
If we as educators have a sense of the spiritual,
Če imamo mi kot vzgojitelji občutek za duhovno,
we see it reflected in their faces.
vidimo to tudi odsevano na njihovih obrazih.
We become servants of the young,
Postanemo služabniki mladih.
helping them to discover what Don Bosco says, the good point which is in their heart.
In jim pomagamo, tako kot je Don Bosco rekel, v njihovem srcu odkriti točko dobrega.
The second point is a mission.
Druga točka, poslanstvo.
We do not have a spirituality which closes us.
Nimamo duhovnosti, ki nas zapira,
We have a spirituality which sends us.
ampak imamo duhovnost, ki nas razpošilja.
We do not have a spirituality which makes us, oh, how nice, cozy, close the door, don't let anybody in.
Nimamo duhovnosti, ko bi rekli, o, kako prijetno, luštkano, zaprite vrata.
We have a spirituality which helps us go to the young where they are.
Imamo duhovnost, ki nas nagovarja, pojdi k mladim tam, kjer so.
And we do it through a project, the
In,
educative project,
in mi vse to počnemo skozi ali pa s pomočjo vzgojnega načrta,
which is dynamic,
ki je neka dinamika, dinamizem.
in the classroom and in the playground.
Je to v učilnici, na dvorišču,
While they are eating, when they are praying.
ko jedo mladi, ko molijo.
Every moment is educative,
Vsak trenutek je vzgoja.
lived with the heart of the good shepherd.
Se pravi, živeti s srcem dobrega pastirja.
An environment,
Okolje,
family spirit.
duhov,
That was the oratory of Valdoco.
družinsko ozračje, to je bilo tudi ozračje v oratoriju v Baldoku.
That when Magone arrives,
Ko je
Michele Magone,
fant Michael Magone prišel v oratorij,
who was a very difficult kid,
ki je bil kar težek primer,
Don Bosco gives him the freedom.
mu je Don Bosco pustil svobodo.
And Michael Magone started looking at his companions.
In Michael Magone je začel pogledovati svoje tovariše.
And what he was seeing invited him to reflect inside.
In to, kar je videl, mu je pomagalo, da je razmislil v sebi.
A process, a project, a dynamic project.
To je proces, dinamični načrt.